the comments what you think I should do with these piles of brambles. Should I leave them there and just burn them right where they are? Or should we drag them to our big fire pit that we have next to the barn? Let me know in the comments what you think we should do. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle those brambles that are along the fence line. It is a cold day and I'd rather be doing this in the cold versus doing it in the heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. I am all geared up. I've got a jumpsuit that my husband brought home from work. I've got my beanie that will cover my face. I've got my walkie-talkie for my father-in-law, just in case anything happens. I can call him real quick and he can get down there. Now I just need to get the side-by-side and the weed eater and make sure that I can start it by myself without his help. So we're gonna head into the garage, get the side-by-side, make sure I can start this thing, and then head down to the south side of the property. Almost forgot my gloves. Hubby bought me some leather gloves. This way I won't get pricked by those thorns. Got my gloves. All right, I think I am good. I think that's everything. I want to put in at least a couple hours doing this. It is really windy today too. The only thing I can't work in is rain. I can work in wind. We've got the weed eater still in here from when my hubby was down there. I've got the protection hat that has a face cover. I have my glasses, but just in case, it has a face cover. And I've got some extra gas just in case I run out. I don't have to keep traveling back and forth. I can just fill it up there. All right, let's head down there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on the side closest to where the pigs are gonna be. And I'm just gonna work my way down to where my husband was. This is all that I'm gonna be clearing right in here today. I wanna be able to see that fence line. And see, it's pretty windy. So this is where I'm gonna start. Let's go ahead and start this weed eater. Fingers crossed that I can actually start it without any help. We've got this nice metal blade that we're gonna be using. It really helped to cut down the brambles. And I like my weed eater because it comes with a strap. Just gotta see which way is comfortable. I think that's it. All right, here we go. Okay, so I think it would be wise to go and get some clippers, some loppers, to cut the front parts off so that I can get to the bigger parts that are deep down, because these brambles, I can't get inside. All these brambles here, and what I need to get to is way in there, but it's not allowing me because of all this. I need to cut all this back so that I can get to the deeper, thicker roots that are down there. All right, now I'm gonna get the rake out and start raking everything out that I've cut down, and hopefully it clears it up and makes it look nice, and then I can see my next path. Alright friends, so I was not able to show you the finishing results of what I got done today because my camera died. I went inside and went ahead and took a nice hot shower because it was cold, and charged this battery, and now I can show you all that I accomplished today. It took me about 3 hours to do what I did, and it doesn't look like I got much done, but man, it is not easy just one person getting in there. So the brambles weren't the hard part, it was these vines. These vines were intertwined in all of the little trees that were popping up, the brambles, everything. It was just full of these vines. That was the hard part. But I was able to clear it from right there. And then all this is cleared up to about right over there. And I've got a few piles of brambles here, and then a big pile right here. So I am planning on coming out tomorrow morning and doing this again, and I'm hoping to finish and get to the part where my husband stopped. And that way we'll have this whole section right here completely done. So I've got from right here all the way to right over there. You can see where he stopped. We'll see. I'm gonna do as much as I can. We're supposed to get rain on Sunday, so I won't be able to be out here Sunday unless by some chance it doesn't rain. But I am planning on doing as much as I can tomorrow, and I would really, really like to have this side completely done by the time my husband gets home. And Monday, we are both gonna just tackle this. It's not supposed to rain on Monday, so we're gonna hit this hard and definitely do as much as we can on Monday since we won't have any rain. And then Tuesday it's supposed to start raining again. And those are his days off. He's off Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then he has to go back to work for 4 days. So we are going to do what we can, and I'll do what I can when he's not with me. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all's well, and have a blessed day.